everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday morning and I decided to make my usual breakfast that I use. So I wanted to show you how I make my parfait. It's quite filling. This is a healthy breakfast for me. I'm on my healthy journey. I am not trying to lose weight. If so, I'm trying to gain a little bit, but I'm okay the way that I am. So I would show you how I make my parfait. There are different ways people make theirs, but this is how I make mine. So I'm going to start off with my the yogurt that I like to use. This is called Oikos. I hope I'm getting the name very well. It's called Oikos. And I also like to add cashew nuts to mine for a little bit of crunchiness. And granola, any granola of your choice, whatever granola you want to use. I like this one because it has almonds, it has hazelnuts, and it has Brazil nuts. I don't know what that means, but I know almonds and hazelnuts. So I like this. Then I'm almost done. So this is my grapes. I'm going to wash all of them, and this is the grapes that I'll be using. And I have a little bit of, I like to sprinkle a little bit of flaked, this is a flaked sweetened coconut. So I hope I'm putting that up. So I am going to change the view of my camera so that you see how I layer my parfait. So if you're trying to you want to lose weight, I'm not losing weight, but I'm not trying to lose weight, but if you want to lose weight, so this is something filling that you could use in the morning and it takes you out throughout the whole day. Then if you want to snack, you can just use crackers. Like me, I like to use crackers, the non-sweetened crackers, and maybe a box of juice or a bottle of water. So it depends on what you want to do. So let's get right into it and I show you how I layer my parfait. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. I hope I'm not. But anyway, see you in the next video. Ciao. Alright, so I'm starting off with the granola at the base of my cup. You can use a small bowl if you want to, but for this video I'm using a cup. Next I'm adding in my creamy yogurt, and you just look at the videos. It's just very easy how I layer it. I think the next thing I'm going to add is the coconut flakes. So you can add yours in whatever layer form you want to add yours, but this is how I add mine though. So next I'm adding my grapes, and I'm also going to layer with another yogurt. Then I spread it about too, so it gets on every side. Next I'm going to be adding my granola. You can see that almond nuts here. I love almond nuts a lot. So and next would be the cashew nut. Like I mentioned, you can layer it whatever form you want to. So this is my cashew nut, and next I'm adding my yogurt till I get to the top of the bowl. I eat more than this though. I didn't want to get the bowl. I don't want anybody to judge me, but I eat more than this, so I'm using the cup. So more yogurt, spread it about so it's not on just one big dollop on the center of the cup. So I just spread it about, and next I will add in some more grapes, just few grapes though. Then next I add my granola. More granola. I think I added cashew nuts here as well. More granola. Okay, I think I added some coconut flakes, and this gives a bit of a sweetness to it. More coconut flakes. Spread it about. This is quite easy, so anybody can do it. And oh, and that's the end. Very easy, very demure, very mindful. Okay, now look at this beautiful healthy cup of breakfast. Look at this.
And
This I like a lot. I really like it. Look at this. This is beautiful. I like it a lot. So I think you should try it. Something healthy, something filling, and just change your routine. As I've been doing this, I love my morning routine a lot. Here's a little picture of it, and that's it. Easy. So this is the final outcome of the layering. I made a mistake earlier. I said this fills you up throughout the whole day. Not throughout the whole day, it's throughout the period of the day. If you're having this in a breakfast, it fills you up through the breakfast period. If it's lunch or dinner, like, who says you can't have breakfast for dinner? There are some times that I get very hungry at dinner time. I don't want to eat something heavy. I just take cereal or I take oats. So this is it. So we're going to give it a taste test. Have my spoon. You just dig in and that's it. This is delicious. So the Greek yogurt is not so sweet. So the coconut flakes give it that much sweetness. With the granola, I haven't gotten to the cashew nut though. It's somewhere in the second layer. So try this. Let me know. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It will really help my channel so much. So I need to go finish my breakfast, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.